all, a very happy good morning to all. Welcome back to our English class. In today's class, you're going to learn about your revision, and in our previous class we finished our syllabus. You have for PA2, you have lesson 2, lesson 3 and grammar nouns. Is it clear, children? You have lesson 2, lesson 3 from textbook, and regarding your grammar textbook, you have nouns for your PA2 syllabus. And today we will start our revision part. Whatever the worksheets I will be giving, that worksheets you have to write in your homework books. Is it clear, children? So now let us open your homework books and get ready with your pencils. Let us start. Now let us start our revision, ma. This is your worksheet 1, part 1. Give meanings. 1. COUNTRY, country. OVERHEAD, overhead. BEST, MOUSER, best mouser. BARLEY, barley. SUPPER, supper. BARN, baron. RAM, ram. So here you have to write meanings, right? Now, Roman 2, circle the opposite words. Here you have to circle opposite word for the given word. Let us check. FINISHED, finished. STARTED, started. LOST, lost. STOPPED, stopped. Second, HIDDEN, hidden. CONCEALED, console. CLOSED, closed. REVEALED, revealed. Third, TIGHTLY, tightly. SOFTLY, softly. KINDLY, kindly. LOOSELY, loosely. Fourth one, ORDERAD, ordered. REQUESTED, requested. COMMANDED, commanded. REPEATED, repeated. So for these opposite words, you have to circle for the opposite word, right? Now here, Roman 3, answer the following. Why did the boy follow the north wind? Second question, how was the innkeeper punished? Third one, what were the 3 dangers the mice ran away from? Fourth, what did Misty eat from the kitchen cupboard? Fifth, did Mickey like the food in the country? Sixth, what food did the boy order as he spread out the tablecloth? Now here you have common nouns and proper nouns. CN is for common noun and PN is for proper noun. Listen, children, carefully. CN is common noun. PN is proper noun. So what you have to do is you have to write what is a common noun and what is a proper noun for the given sentence. So let us check. Bella the cat scratched at the door. So here, what is a common noun you know, and what is a proper noun you know. A common noun is in general commonly we use for a person, place, thing or an animal is called a common noun. If it is a proper noun means a special name given to a person, place, thing or animal. So don't get confused. You have to common means is a common noun used to a person like boy, girl, car, like that. Proper noun means a special name given to a person like Ramu, tiger, like that, right? So let us see the sentence. Bella the cat scratched at the door. Second, Mickey gave his friend a raisin. The cupboard was in the kitchen. So these are the sentences. What you have to do is, if it is a common noun, write at the top. Here, write here CN. If it is a common noun, write here PN, right? If it is a common noun, you have to write CN. If it is a proper noun, you have to write PN on the top of the word. So let us check what is a common noun and what are a proper
noun. A noun that gives a general or common name to persons, places, animals or things is called a common noun. In general, what we use are called common nouns like person, places, animals and things. Person, places, animals and things. It is the name of a group of similar things. Like commonly we use common things for boy, girl, like that. A common noun is boy. Boy is not a particular name or a specific name given to the particular person. Boy is, in general, we use boy is a common noun. In generally, we use a boy as common noun, and common noun always starts with small letters. City. City is also, it is not a particular or a specific city. It is in general we use, for any city we use city. Here we are not mentioning any particular place or specific name to the city. When it comes to animals, horse is a common in general horse. There is no specific or particular name to that horse. Horse is horse for common. In common we use as horse. So it is a common noun. Horse is a common noun. For common nouns, there is the word starts with small letters only. And thing, chair. This is also not a particular thing. Proper nouns, person, names of persons like Mac, Pat, Nancy, Mahatma Gandhi. All the letters starts with capitals. Proper names of animals like Bela, Tommy, Chetak, Chandni, like that. Proper names of places: United States, Russia, Britain, India. All the letters starts with capital letters. Proper names of things: Titan watch, HP computers, etc. Did you know that the following are also proper nouns? Like days of a week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday all starts with capital letters.